Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you're planning to buy an air conditioner or you're just starting to learn HVAC, one common question is, what are the three main types of AC? There are many kinds of air conditioning systems available today, but the three most commonly used types for homes and small businesses are window AC, split AC, and portable AC. In today's video, I'll explain how each type works, where it's best used, and its advantages and disadvantages. By the end of this video, you'll know which type of AC is best for your needs. Let's get started. 1. Window air conditioner. The first type is the window air conditioner, commonly known as a window AC. A window AC is a single-unit air conditioner in which all the major components, including the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and fans, are housed inside one cabinet. It is installed in a window opening or a specially prepared wall opening. The indoor side blows cool air into the room, while the outdoor side releases heat outside. Advantages. Window ACs are generally more affordable than split systems. Installation is relatively simple because there is only one unit. Maintenance is also easier since all components are in one cabinet. Disadvantages. Window ACs are usually noisier because the compressor is inside the same unit. They are less attractive in appearance and can block part of a window. They are mainly suitable for cooling a single room. 2. Split air conditioner. The second and most popular type is the split air conditioner. A split AC has two separate units. The indoor unit contains the evaporator coil and blower fan, while the outdoor unit contains the compressor, condenser coil, and condenser fan. Both units are connected by insulated copper refrigerant pipes and electrical wiring. Because the compressor is installed outside, split ACs operate much more quietly than window ACs. Advantages: they provide efficient cooling and lower indoor noise. Modern inverter models also offer better energy efficiency. They have a cleaner appearance and are available in different capacities for various room sizes. Disadvantages: they usually cost more than window ACs. Professional installation is required, and regular maintenance is important for long-term performance. 3. Portable air conditioner. The third type is the portable air conditioner. A portable AC is a movable unit that can be placed almost anywhere inside a room. It uses an exhaust hose to discharge hot air through a nearby window or opening. Unlike a split AC, all major components, including the compressor, are inside the portable unit. Advantages: portable ACs are easy to move between rooms. They're a good option for renters or places where permanent installation isn't possible. No wall-mounted indoor or outdoor unit is required. Disadvantages: portable ACs are generally noisier because the compressor is inside the room. They are usually less energy efficient than split ACs and may provide slower cooling under the same conditions. Proper installation of the exhaust hose is essential for good performance. Which type is best? The answer depends on your needs. If you're looking for an affordable solution for one room, a window AC can be a practical choice. If you want quiet operation, better comfort, and higher energy efficiency, a split AC is usually the preferred option for most homes. If you live in a rented property or need an air conditioner that can be moved from one room to another, a portable AC may be the most suitable choice. There is no single AC that is best for everyone. The right choice depends on your room, budget, and installation requirements. Tips before buying any AC. Before purchasing any air conditioner, always choose the correct capacity based on your room size. Check the energy efficiency rating, warranty, and after-sales service. Have the unit installed by a qualified technician, and clean the air filters regularly to maintain good cooling performance. Conclusion. The three most common types of air conditioners are window AC, split AC, and portable AC. Each has its own advantages, disadvantages, and ideal applications. Understanding the differences between these systems will help you choose the right air conditioner for your home or office while avoiding unnecessary expenses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.